हर रोज एक दूसरे को देखते थे, वी डूइंग लॉट्स ऑफ स्टफ टुगेदर, सो कमिंग ओवर हियर इज लाइक, अगर वो नहीं होते तो आई फील ऑड कि नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं इन दोनों के साथ अपने फिल्म एंडोर्समेंट कर रही हूँ।
तो क्या है कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर के बाद हम तीनों ने सेपरेट फिल्म साइन कर ली है, तो हम काम करने वाले हैं दूसरे लोगों के साथ, सो आई थिंक एज अ ब्रांड आईडी हैज गॉट अस थ्री बैक टुगेदर, हैज गॉट द स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर ट्रायो, यू कैन कॉल इट दैट, टुगेदर, सो इट्स ऑलवेज नाइस टू वर्क विद दिस, only for ID.
ID is a brand for the youth. Basically, we always targeted as a youth brand, and we've been waiting for the right endorsement and endorse it, and we found a nice group of three, which also suits the product. So it's perfect.
Now we've gotten used to each other, but now we're hoping to work not together. It's been a long time for us to work with each other, so we're pretty much comfortable with anything. हम तीनों को इतनी आदत पड़ गई एक दूसरे की,
कुछ ज़्यादा ही आदत पड़ गई,
बहुत आदत पड़ गई।
When you actually come to think of multiple endorsees falling into one brand, I don't think there's anybody else you can think of which portray this youthfulness. And so I think the timing's perfect. It's great that we have them on board, and what we're trying to achieve is also trying to reach the youth by having them endorse the brand. So I think the energy is wonderful.
I think these tinted glasses, you get them in different colors. I think that's in trend right now. So you get different shades, like how Siddharth is wearing, he's got a little bit purplish neon. I've got a little bit goldish type of tint, and Alia's got a little brownish black, I think. So that the fusion of these are really in trend. So you should go and get those actually.
I think ID has a lot of variety. We just tried a lot of them. We have different shapes and sizes. You will see in the photo shoot right now. So yeah, not only them, I think we have other colors also.
It's a complete good packaging. It means good price, good product, fashion, all to come. It's a combo deal for the youth.
Personally, I like the aviators, something like this. I think मेरी शक्ल पे better suit करता है मुझे.
For me, the bigger it is, the better it is, क्योंकि मेरा face थोड़ा round है, तो the bigger the sunglasses, the better it looks on me.
All India, all organized retail, all optical stores, everywhere, fashion stores, everywhere. It is available more than 2,000 point of sales. So, सब जगह, all over India.
It's more interesting to do photo shoots. You can do different looks, different hairstyles, different makeup, different costumes. So you get to try those things which you can't do in film.
When you shoot for a long time, तब आँखों में दिखने लगता है कि you're tired, your eyes look tired. So that I told Siddharth कि I'm very excited that we're shooting for eyewear because you can't see the eyes. So this photo shoot particularly has been nicer than the others.
I think what's interesting is that usually when you're shooting, you're trying to look good, but over here you're trying to make the brand look good.
I think Varun.
I think it's Siddharth and Alia.
Alia is the good boy.
Alia is the good boy.
None of them are good. They both are as bad as each other.
The amount she was getting pampered earlier during the film has become much lesser now. She's come into her own. She carries her own bags. And
drives her own car.
She drives her own car.
Does her own makeup also.
Doesn't ask for any chata. Look at her in the sun. Unbelievable. थोड़ा उधर pan करोगे तो आलिया का छाता भी दिखाई देगा.
Well, I think right now the world looks very exciting, very new, at least for me. Coming from Delhi to Bombay, doing a film, a first one with Karan Johar. So a lot of firsts last year rather.
Because I'm working at such a young age, I'm actually feeling this world is a very strange world. बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, बहुत डांट पड़ती है माँ बाप से. तो at the moment I'm very confused क्या हो रहा है मेरे life में. पर दुनिया अच्छी है. I mean, it's giving me a good start. Let's see if it goes on.
I don't know what to say. I'm confused now, I swear. My ID, I think, would be my scars, because I've got a lot of scars, like you can see over here. I've fallen off a bike. I banged my head as a kid over here, and there's one under my eye over here. I don't know if you can see it properly because the glasses are covering it. I got it during student of the year. So I think my scars, I've got a lot of scars on my body, so that's my ID.
I think my ID is my eyes, which is, I can fool a lot of people with my eyes.
Well, my ID normally is I've got these moles on my face, which very few people have. I've got moles under my lips.
Beauty spots.
Yes, I've got beauty spots, as they're called, yes. So if somebody doesn't recognize me, that's why I show.